process and perspective of myself when I made eye contact with them. I just knew, because they were laughing and they were joking about something, I just knew that I knew that I knew they were talking about me. And so the feelings were anger and frustration and hurts. The feelings were valid. But then when you begin to find out the reality of it is, they weren't talking about me at all. They were talking about the game from the night before. And what I realized is because I feel a certain type of way, that my feelings can't be the only way I decide to trust. Because some of us, man, we've been, what I was telling you is, as a young, amazing individual, that your fingertips and your fingerprints, man, your life is rare, and then there is a ripple effect that if you can begin to understand the perspective, if I can make the next right choice, if I can be vulnerable, if I can understand the power of the human connection, that there's nothing, no matter where you came from, what you've been through, what you've experienced, you're not a product of any of it. You're a product of what you find the courage to do. Hard work and good choices and valuing people will always, I repeat, it will always create opportunities, regardless of where you come from, regardless of what you've been through. Hard work, good choices, and valuing people will always create opportunities for that thing that you put against the wall to become new.
Good morning, TMS. This is Lucas, and these are your TMS morning announcements. Today's the Blue Day. Kona Ice will be coming to TMS Wednesday. Bring cash. Attention 7th graders, please remember to turn in your scheduling sheets to Mrs. Huffman, mailbox on her door. There's still time to enter 2 additional raffles. The winner of the curling wand will be chosen on May 16th, and the smart watch winner will be chosen on May 19th. There is a new raffle for a Kendra Scott necklace. Remember that your PBS points do not roll over to next year. Spend them before school is out, and please continue to demonstrate proud behavior. Our 4th quarter celebration will take place on May 19th. Join us for fun in the sun. Many activities will be available, including inflatables, yard games, a dunk tank, and karaoke. Turn in the inflatable permission slip to your first period teachers. Students who begin their day at high school can turn it in the office. For lunch today, you will have cheese stuffed breadsticks, green beans, marinara, fruit juice, pear, milk. These have been your TMS morning announcements. Have a fun Friday. Fun fact.